Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will see another example regarding this event delegation. So this is one of the important concept when you want to increase the performance execution. So here we have this. This is the demo of the example. We'll try to do it. And when we are having three codes here, so three lists or something like three paragraphs, anything you can say. And when I am clicking on this close button, so it needs to be removed. Okay, so this is the thing. And we need to achieve it through the event delegation. Let's try to see. This is the code. Now let's remove this one all. We'll implement from first onwards. So I am taking the HTML. Okay. So now we have an idea about the output, right? So here I am taking one simple thing. Div id is equal to delegation. So I will keep this one id is equal to delegation. This is the parent element. And in this one, we'll have a class is equal to box. Let's have class is equal to box. In this one, I will be having one h3 heading 1. I will add one heading 1. And here we can have one div. So heading 1 description. I can add something and I will add some random data. Lorem ipsum. And here after closing this div, I will have one button. So here you'll be having a close button. That's it. So this is the thing. Now let's try to replicate this one 3 times. So I am replicating this one 3 times. Yeah. And first one is the heading 1. Second one is the heading 2. And here also let's give heading 2. And the last one is the heading 3. We will be having heading 3. That's it. So now let's design this one. So now we need to have a clear knowledge on the CS also, right? So let's design this one. I will try to design it so that you will have a clear understanding. First, what I will try to do is I will take the body and let's assume let's add this font family. Anything. First one I am taking. Okay. So this is the font family, and you can have something like margin margin 10 pixel or anything. You can have it. Yeah. Okay. And let's directly go to the box. So box is the main thing, right? We will be having, and this is the box. And let's add background color light blue or anything. Light blue. Okay, we have added, and the gaps we are having, right? So for this one is because of the h3. So let's remove this margin 0 pixel. Okay, gaps has been gone. And for this box h3 we can add the padding, or otherwise let's leave it like this only. So now the box we have added, and what we need to have, let's keep the border top 1-2 pixel solid blue or anything. So we have a border top, and let's try to have this heading also. For this heading I will keep something like padding 10 pixel 0 pixel, so top and bottom. Okay, enough. So now we'll have a button. So we are having a button, right? I am adding a class remove. So let's have this remove. We'll apply this remove CSS using this remove class. Okay, class remove. And here I will be having dot remove, and in this remove, this is our button. So let's make it as position absolute. Okay, so it will go to the top, and top 0 pixel. Okay, all of them went to the top. We need to keep this one as position relative so that it will remain for every box. Okay, yeah. Now I need to make it right 10 pixel, or otherwise top also you can make it as a 5 pixel. Okay, let's remove the border for this one, for the button, as this one is a button. Okay, and remove the background color also, background color transparent. Okay, and give the color for this one is dark red, anything dark red. Okay, and here we will give the cursor pointer. Okay, so we are able to get a hand symbol. So this is the thing. And if you want, you can also give for the box, so padding of around 10 pixel. Okay, so that's it. So we are having these things. Now when I am clicking on this close button, so this heading 2 should be removed. So whatever the thing I am clicking on this box, that box has to be removed. So this is our requirement. Let's go to the script part. Now this is our script part. So here at bottom I am writing the script. So here is our script part. So first we need to take the parent element. That is nothing but this delegation element. I am trying to add only one event and using that event I will bubble. So I will make use of this bubbling concept. So here let element is equal to document dot get element by id of delegation. Okay, so delegation only, right? I have used it. Yeah, delegation. I got the element, and here I will use element dot add event listener. So when this one is clicked, so I want to remove. Okay, that's it. So here let's have a function remove. So I am having a remove, and for this remove I will get an event. So now for this event, so now when I am clicking on this one, so close button, so I need to get it removed. So here what I can do, so event dot target dot, we need to get the parent element. So here target means here we'll be getting the button, right? So we need to take the parent element. So that means this box I need to take it. So the box I need to take it and I need to remove. Here I will use the parent element. Okay, dot remove. We can also use the parent node also, but we have discussed the difference between parent element and also a parent node also we have discussed it. So now let's see what will happen. So I am refreshing this page and I click on this one. See, when I am clicking on this one, it is removing, and also when I click on the close button also it is removing. It should not happen. It should be removed only when I click on this close button only. When I click on this heading, it should not be removed. So then what I need to do here, you can have something like, I will stop this one. So if you have something like console.log event.target.tag name. Okay, so you will be having tag name, right? We already discussed about this tag name. If you see the console, let's see the console. When I click on this one, I am getting the div. When I click on this one, I am getting h3. When I click on this one, I am getting button. So we have a clear distinction between this one, on which element the user has clicked. So when I click on this button, I need to remove it. We also have another thing like class name. So now we know that button has a class name remove. So this one also we will be able to get it. So here I click on this one, I'm getting empty. And I click on this one, I'm getting empty, as that doesn't have any classes. When I click on this one, I'm getting remove. So that means the button is having a class remove. We are able to get this one. Using this option also we can implement it. Now what I will try to do here, if event dot target dot class name is equal to remove is there, then I need to remove this element. How can I copy? Yeah, fine, right? I can remove these all the things. That's it. So now if target class name is equal there, then remove, or otherwise not a problem. So now if you see here, I refresh this one. So I am trying to remove this heading 2. I am clicking it somewhere in the heading. I am clicking, and here also I am clicking. It's not getting removed. When I click on this close button, see, heading 2 is got removed. So now I have made use of this single event by using this bubbling phase, and we are able to successfully remove these quotes. So this is how we will be making use of this delegation. So this is also a simple example. I want to show you simple demonstrations how we can make use of this delegation concept. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.